is the Double Horse 9097. It is about 24 inches long. It's very durable. It's made of a metal body, and the motors are very powerful. So be careful when you're playing with it. Make sure that it's turned off when you're holding it, and be careful when you're playing around other people. So this is the remote control. So you got the joysticks. This is to go up and down. This is to go right, left, forwards, and backwards. You have this button here for the speed. You can go quick or slow. And this button right here is for the trimmer, and it is to balance. So when you first get your helicopter, it is best for you to test it to make sure that it's in good working condition. So you're going to first turn on your helicopter. So you gotta plug in this cord and turn it on. And you're going to hold your helicopter firmly and away from you because these blades are going to spin, so be careful when you're doing this. Now you turn on your remote control and you move your joystick a little bit on the left side to know that the motors are spinning, so that's good. So now you're going to move the joystick on the right side and notice that the blade on the tail is spinning. So you move it up, down, left, and right to make sure that it's in good working condition. So as you can see, this helicopter is perfectly fine. It works fine. When you're ready to fly your helicopter, you need to first adjust your trimmer for balance. When it stops spinning, it means that you're ready for takeoff. If you are a beginner, we recommend that you practice your landing because practice makes perfect. This helicopter is very stable, very sturdy, very durable, easy to maneuver, easy to fly.